Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. Today we are going to unbox my Planner Perfect August subscription, and here we go. So it's here. I'm very excited because I don't think I've ever actually unboxed one on my channel. I usually end up taking everything out before and showing you that way. Okay, so I've got the planner and the journal. We'll set the box aside and let's look at the planner and the journal. So now I've seen these already on the channel for Planner Perfect, but I haven't seen them up front. They're beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to be honest with you guys. So I do get a size wide. I also get the dog grid option. When I first saw this cover, I thought that this was a train going by and that she was staring at the train until I realized that this was like a guardrail and that this was the ocean. Isn't that silly? I love this one. This one is so beautiful and serene. So it's like a whole scene. And this one is also the entire scene. Okay, so like I said, I get dog grid. This one is the journal or the notes. And then this is the August Plan With Me planner. So you've got the monthly calendar, you've got the 2 goals pages, and then you jump right into, it starts at the 28th, but the first is on the Friday. Okay. So I'm actually going to be using both of these. The planner won't be my actual planner. So I have, for the month of August, I have the last planner that I had ordered from Jenny's Old Art to do for my August planning. So you're going to see a different planner in my TN for planning, but this one is going to be used with my Artist Way project that I'm doing. So that's how I kind of map out like what I'm going to study and what I'm reading and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to use this one for. And then this one will be used for my morning pages. So I have taken Jenny's suggestion and used the journals for the morning pages, and I've just been really, really enjoying it. Problem is, I go through 2 journals a month because I write the dedicated like three pages front and back. So yeah, 2 journals a month, a little bit more than that actually. But it is what it is. So I have to order some more journals from her website, which I'm not complaining about because I'm excited to order some of the fall ones. So here are the stickers. You get 2 sheets of each of the same design. So the first one has some of the same designs as the summer one. So that would be for June and July. You've got the bathing suit and the popsicle or the fudgicle. But the and the chair, the added ones are the lobsters, the birds, and the koi fish. So you've got the koi in there. Those are really pretty. And then the second one is an outfit change. I remember somebody saying on the Planner Perfect website that this reminded them of like the dolls that you could make, like the little dolls. So that's funny because it's exactly what it looks like. You have a little perfume bottle, a purse, a phone case, a pair of glasses, and then there's a couple flowers. All right, so those are the stickers. And now for the journaling cards. Get my trusty scissors here to open up. Okay, so we have 2 each of these journaling cards, and you get a total of 12. So 6 different designs. The first one is August with the month. Okay, then you've got Mentally, I'm Here. This looks like a villa in Tuscany, which might go with my Planner Perfect for August because I'm using an Italy kit from Planners Anonymous. Okay, then you've got the beach theme. I love this. Okay, and then a full picture of the same journal cover. And then the planner cover. It says Picnic with the Gingham of the Green. And that's it. Okay, and then the washi tape, where we'll swatch these, because I know Jenny doesn't swatch them when she does her unboxing, like what she shows what they are. So I like to swatch them just to see what the full color is. Okay, so I'm going to bring out my business journal here. I put all of my washi swatches in the back. We'll start with this one. This is the beach theme. Yeah, so this one just has a repetitive pattern with the popsicles. The sandals, I don't know if you can see that. The sandals, the chair, and the beach umbrella, and the little seagulls flying around in there. The next one is this green gingham pattern. Kind of like a picnic table cover. And then the last one is a floral. And I believe that's a lily, right? Like a tiger lily. I love tiger lilies, but again, it's got like one on the top, one on the bottom, and that's it for this kit. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Please subscribe for more. Click on the video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up for a like. And if you would like to subscribe, I would love to have you. Please also click the little bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.